Welcome. Before we dive into the details, please note that the link to purchase the Pironman 5 NVMe M.2 SSD PCIe 2.0/3.0 mini PC case for Raspberry Pi 5 at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment below. This product is a fantastic upgrade for anyone looking to enhance their Raspberry Pi 5 experience with a combination of performance, cooling, and aesthetics. The Pironman 5 case is crafted from durable aluminum, offering a sleek and sturdy enclosure that not only protects your Raspberry Pi 5, but also elevates its functionality. One of the standout features is the expandable NVMe M.2 slot, compatible with various sizes including 2230, 2242, 2260, and 2280. This is a huge plus for users wanting faster storage options, especially for NAS setups, media centers, or gaming rigs. Additionally, it supports the Hailo-8L AI accelerator, making it suitable for advanced edge AI applications, which is a rare and valuable feature in many PC cases. Cooling is handled impressively with a tower cooler paired with dual RGB fans. These fans come with dust filters to ensure longevity and easy cleaning. The cooling system effectively manages heat from both the Raspberry Pi 5 and the NVMe SSD, maintaining optimal performance even under heavy workloads. Noise levels remain low, which is ideal for quiet environments. The case also includes a 0.96-inch OLED module that provides useful system information at a glance, adding a tech-savvy touch. Customizable RGB lighting enhances the visual appeal, allowing users to personalize their setup. Dual standard HDMI ports expand display options, and the safe shutdown feature ensures your data and hardware remain protected during power-offs. Assembly is straightforward thanks to a clear, step-by-step guide, making it accessible even for those new to Raspberry Pi modifications. Pros: durable aluminum construction with a modern design. Expandable NVMe M.2 slot, supporting multiple sizes. Supports Hailo-8L AI accelerator for AI edge computing. Advanced cooling system with tower cooler and dual RGB fans with dust filters. 0.96-foot OLED module for real-time system info. Dual standard HDMI ports for versatile display options. Safe shutdown switch to protect hardware and data. Easy to assemble with clear instructions. Cons: Raspberry Pi 5 is not included, so it requires a separate purchase. PCIe 2.0/3.0 interface may limit maximum NVMe SSD speeds compared to newer standards. Slightly larger footprint due to tower cooler, which may affect compact setups overall. The Pironman 5 case is an excellent choice for Raspberry Pi 5 users seeking a robust, feature-rich enclosure that enhances performance, cooling, and aesthetics. Whether you're building a NAS, media center, or AI-driven project, this case offers versatility and reliability. Don't forget, the link to grab this product at a discounted price is fixed in the first comment below. Check it out to upgrade your Raspberry Pi 5 setup today.